Minna-Chan, konnichiwa, kawaii sensei desu. Minna-Chan, hontou ni sumimasen. Please forgive me, but I'm mostly going to speak in English today to introduce myself and talk more about where I lived in Japan and how I know how to speak Japanese. And also a little bit about me. So would you guys be interested in me making a TikTok or something? I could do a dance. So I have this silly map to show you where I lived. Okay, I lived in Tokyo. And then I lived there for about 3 months. And then I moved to Osaka. And I lived there about a year and a half. And then I came back to the US for a little while. But I never really wanted to leave Japan. So I decided I needed to go back. So I went back to Tokyo. And I lived there for another 6 months. And then I moved to Chiba. And I was in Chiba for a number of years. I don't even know now exactly. Maybe 3 or 4. And then I moved back to Tokyo for another 2.5. So as you can see, I've lived in a number of places in Japan, and every place was slightly different. And they all taught me something different about Japan and the culture and the language. So what does Kawaii Sensei love about Japan? Well, one, the language. I think it's really cool, and that's also why I want to teach it. I also really like sushi. Actually, I like all Japanese food pretty much, even the gross stuff. Have you ever heard of natto? I actually really like natto. Sweets, amai mono, sweet things. I also really like anime and the Final Fantasy video game series. Moogles. I'd be happy if any of you knew what a Moogle was. Mechakucha kawaii kara. I just got a PS4 if you want to join me on PSN. You know, the PlayStation Network? But you don't have to add me if you don't want to. But I'm always super ureshii to make more tomodachi. Do you want to be my friend? So I'm sure some of you are wondering if I actually can speak or read or write Japanese. My handwritten kanji and hiragana is not that pretty, but you can get the idea. I can type pretty good in Japanese, so typing is good. I actually passed the level N3 of the Nihongo no Ryoku Shiken, which is the Japanese language proficiency test, without studying very much. I just absorbed it from living in Japan, and apparently that's actually a really hard thing to do. So I have an N3 certification, but my kanji reading is more around N2 level. I hope that clarifies some questions about my Japanese ability. Please believe in me. Some people say I'm a little bit weebish or otaku maybe, but I never really considered myself that because I lived in Japan so long and I went through so many actually very hard experiences there that I really started to feel what that culture was about. However, I don't really care as long as people learn and have fun learning, because that's the whole point of doing this channel. Because learning should be tanoshii. You need to love it. And Kawaii Sensei is here to help with that. Kawaii Sensei ga nani ga suki kana? Well, I love cats. That's the Neko Mimi. And the cat up there. My lucky cat. I also have this one. Maneki Neko. Nansai to omou? How old do you think I am? Jitsu wa naishou desu. I really hope you feel like you've gotten to know me a little better. I really hope so, because trust is important in any relationship, and as sensei and seito, I think we need to have trust. And in no time, you'll be speaking really good Japanese. Better than this Maneki Neko here. Or even me. I'm feeling like this is going to be the beginning of a long and wonderful relationship. I can't wait to see you again. Yoku dekimashita ne. Arigatou mina. It will be super tanoshii. Trust me. Minna-Chan, if you have any questions for me at all, please leave them in the comments. I will really try to answer all of your questions. It would be really fun to do a Q&A video. Also, if there's something really specifically you want to know in Japanese or about Japan, I would be more than happy to answer. Are we friends now? We can be friends, but remember, I'm also your kawaii sensei. Minna daisuki. Ureshii! So in my next video, I'm planning to cover how to express your kimochi or feelings in Japanese, because that's a very, very important thing. I hope you all really enjoyed watching this video today, and please like, comment, subscribe, or share. I am also posting a lot of stuff on my Instagram at Kawaii Sensei Ali. My real name's... I can't wait to see you again. Mata ne! Bye bye!